like I explained earlier, when you find yourself in a situation whereby your content has crossed the width or the height you have set for it, what you must do is that you must use the overflow property. Now, this tells the browser what to do if the content contained within the box is larger. Okay, and it also has two values. One is the heading and the other is scroll. The heading hides any extra content that is not within the box, so it doesn't actually show and make your work messy, while the scroll, okay, adds a scroll bar to the box so that it makes it scrollable and it falls within the box, so all the older content will go up while you scroll down the newer content. Okay, that is what the scroll does, and that's what the heading also does. I'm going to show you two different boxes, okay, that the contents have what span beyond the height and the width we have given it. Okay, you are going to see the overflow property actually in use with the heading, and also going to see the overflow property work with the value of scroll. Okay, the overview, okay, the overflow property is particularly handy because some browsers allow users to adjust the size of the text to appear as large or as small as they want. If the text is set to too large, then the page can become an unreadable mess. Hiding the overflow on such boxes helps items overlapping on the page. I'm going to show you this. This is the example we are going to use in overflow. Two examples actually. The first one, which is the first paragraph, will have a class of 1, which is this. It is going to be hidden, so the other part, okay, will not be showing. And the next part is going to have a scroll. This is going to be scrollable so that you can actually see the missing content. Okay, let's go to our text editor and practicalize this. Now, this is my text editor. I'm going to give the first paragraph a class, okay, a class called 1, and then I'm coming to the second paragraph, also give it a class, okay, and I'll give it 2. So I'll save this and I'll go straight to my CSS and then give my rule on what should happen. Let me comment out the width and then the height. Okay, let me leave it and then add this. So this paragraph with a class of 1 should be hidden, okay, and paragraph with a class of 2 should scroll. Let me save this file, Ctrl S, come to my browser and then refresh. Look at what is happening here. You can see this is now showing the hidden part. If you check the previous example, this part was showing, making the work messy. But in the second one, which I'm using the hidden, okay, the overflow property of hidden, those part is not showing, and then this part also has the scroll. Okay, it has the scroll version, so you can actually see the hidden part of the text. So that's the scroll bar, clearly indicating that there are some missing text which must show for me to be able to read. So that's the scrolling working here, and also the heading working there.